The Rochester Museum and Science Center's Cumming Nature Center is a 900-acre classroom and living laboratory. In our classroom, we have tall red pines, dark hemlock woods, wetlands and trails and birds and beavers and bugs. Our hope is to instill in students an indestructible sense of wonder for the natural world. We think that there's so much value in feeling the rain on your face and the mud between your toes. Forest School is a weekly program that goes year-round. It gives the kids an opportunity to explore this wild place in all the seasons, watch those seasons change, and learn how to take responsibility for being comfortable. In the winter, we work closely with families to make sure that students are properly prepared to be out in the snow, and the rain, and the cold. We also offer week-long programs during the summer seasons and break weeks. While at Forest School, students are immersed in this wild space. They explore the woods, build fires, carve spoons, make bread. We use tools to cut firewood and whittle. We hike, and we deepen their connection with the natural world at their own pace. We have the opportunity to get deep into their play without interruption or time limit. The other benefits of this Forest School program is that we begin to see new characteristics come out in our children. My girls participate in the program, and I'm seeing them become more confident, self-reliant, and resilient.
We were really excited to develop a program that's largely unstructured and completely child-oriented. Kids are born connected to nature. We just sort of share skills with them so that they can enjoy that connection the rest of their life. I think that the challenging weather seems to be the thing that really brings something out in the kids that they're really, really proud of. I want them to leave, even if they're in the worst weather, feeling cozy and good about that weather. So it's something they want to do forever. The word that comes to my mind when I think about the role of the adults is sort of, first and foremost, keeping the kids safe and comfortable, but really being like a curator. You know, when you go to a library or a museum, there isn't someone talking the whole time, telling you everything, but there's someone who sort of very carefully works behind the scenes to put the right things in front of you that you can let your experience unfold.
One of my favorite things about this program is that not only are students building a positive relationship with the natural world, but they're also building positive relationships with each other. They are learning about themselves while they are learning every nook and cranny of the Cumming Nature Center.